The most courageous act is still to think for yourself. Aloud. A girl should be two things: classy and fabulous. A girl should be two things: who and what she wants. Don't spend time beating on a wall, hoping to transform it into a door. Dress shabbily and they remember the dress. Dress impeccably and they remember the woman. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. You live but once. You might as well be amusing. Success is most often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. Simplicity is the keynote of all true elegance. I don't care what you think about me. I don't think about you at all. Fashion changes, but style endures. If you were born without wings, do nothing to prevent them from growing. My life didn't please me, so I created my life. A woman who doesn't wear perfume has no future. Fashion is not something that exists in dresses only. Fashion is in the sky, in the street. Fashion has to do with ideas, the way we live, what is happening. Where should one use perfume? A young woman asked. Wherever one wants to be kissed. There is no time for cut and dried monotony. There is time for work, and time for love. That leaves no other time. I don't do fashion. I am fashion. As long as you know men are like children, you know everything. Women think of all colors except the absence of color. I have said that black has it all. White too. Their beauty is absolute. It is the perfect harmony. You can be gorgeous at 30, charming at 40, and irresistible for the rest of your life. The best color in the whole world is the one that looks good on you. Elegance is refusal. Some people think luxury is the opposite of poverty. It is not. It is the opposite of vulgarity. How many cares one loses when one decides not to be something but to be someone? Adornment. What a science! Beauty. What a weapon! Modesty. What elegance! I wanted to give a woman comfortable clothes that would flow with her body. A woman is closest to being naked when she is well dressed. A woman who cuts her hair is about to change her life. I invented my life by taking for granted that everything I did not like would have an opposite, which I would like. There are people who have money and people who are rich. Everyone marries the Duke of Westminster. There are a lot of duchesses, but only one Coco Chanel. Fashion is architecture. It is a matter of proportions. Elegance comes from being as beautiful inside as outside. Great loves too must be endured. Sin can be forgiven, but stupid is forever. Be classy. Anything but trashy. I imposed black. It's still going strong today. For black wipes out everything else around. Those who create are rare. Those who cannot are numerous. Therefore, the latter are stronger. Elegance is not the prerogative of those who have just escaped from adolescence, but of those who have already taken possession of their future. Women have always been the strong ones of the world. Fashion is made to become unfashionable. There is nothing worse than solitude. Solitude can help a man realize himself, but it destroys a woman. Coquetry, it's a triumph of the spirit over the senses. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. I love luxury. And luxury lies not in richness and ornateness but in the absence of vulgarity. Vulgarity is the ugliest word in our language. I stay in the game to fight it. Elegance does not consist in putting on a new dress. A woman has the age she deserves. Look for the woman in the dress. If there is no woman, there is no dress. When I find a color darker than black, I'll wear it. But until then, I'm wearing black. A fashion that does not reach the streets is not a fashion. Innovation. One cannot be forever innovating. I want to create classics. A woman's education consists of 2 lessons. Never leave the house without stocking. Never go out without a hat. If you're sad, add more lipstick and attack. Men hate women who weep. Costume jewelry is not made to give women an aura of wealth, but to make them beautiful. Don't be like the rest of them, darling. For a woman, betrayal has no sense. One cannot betray one's passions. A woman with good shoes is never ugly. No one is young after 40, but one can be irresistible at any age. Nature gives you the face you have at 20. Life shapes the face you have at 30. But at 50 you get the face you deserve. Men always remember a woman who caused them concern and uneasiness.